Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys are having a very nice day. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you save Instagram Reels. So to save Instagram Reels, at first just log into your Instagram account. And after logging into your Instagram account, just open a reel just like this. Now to save this video, just click the three dot icon of the video. And after that, here you can see save, just click on save. And by clicking this plus icon, it will be saved to your collection. Just click on it. And if you want to save it to your new collection, you can just save it by clicking new collection and the collection name. Just click the top right save like this. Now if you want to save this reel to your phone, you need to download it from any browser. So at first just click on this send icon and click the bottom second option, copy link. Click on it and the link is copied. Now go back. Now just go to any web browser. I'm going to Google and search for Instagram Reels download. Now just go to the first website, SSS Instagram. Now here you can see paste link here. Just click on it and paste the link. And after that, here you can see the video is here. Just click on download and it is downloading. Here you can see the file is downloaded. If you click on open, the video is going to open. Here you can see the video is here. So guys, that's the way you can just save reels to Instagram and your phone, the both ways. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching this video.